starting off by carpet in the front. So I'm just taking the seats out now, and then we're going to see how much further we get after we finish carpeting, see if we can get the stereo in. But this might carry on till tomorrow as well. Seats, well, my seats are very manky. They're on my to-do list. But so we're going to start off with just taking out these bolts, which are pretty simple. So I'm going to use some movie magic here, and there we have it. Both the seats are out. So I'm going to vacuum this and then clean it up a little bit. I'm going to use this after a vacuum, which is absolutely amazing for getting rid of mud and stuff. I recommend it for my Land Rover people. So yeah, I'll show you it once it's been vacuumed out and cleaned up a little bit, ready for carpeting. And we are cleaned. Gosh, so as well as that pink stuff, we also used Auto Finesse's bug and grime remover, the citrus power one, which is like amazing. It was really good for the super stuck on mud. So we'll hopefully make the carpet stick a little better to the floors. James is just putting in some of the wiring for the audio as well before we carpet over. So this is the material for the carpet. I keep calling it carpet, but it's not. It's HARDURA. So it's like a PVC coated like felt like material. So it's really easy to wipe down if it gets muddy, which it's prone to at the front. And then it's got this material underneath it, which is good for insulation. Should keep it a little bit warmer inside. It's from Lacuri Solutions. And it's just this kit here. So I'll get it out and show you guys what it is that's in there. Been cleaning. James has been wiring up speakers and amp wires for my stereo. So these are the sides of the mud panel that we've got. I'll pop a link in the description. So this is what James has done so far while I've been cleaning. But I'll show you guys when that's all done and how he's doing it. So James is just going around the stereo surround and just marking it out ready to cut out. So this is just from mud, so it's a new centre console, so I can have a stereo in there and not just have to put a concert on for myself. So yeah, this will be going in the dash hopefully today. This is the full kit. So you've got passenger seat and then the little woolly bit on the seat box. That's your tunnel, driver's seat, and the bits for the pedals are already cut out. So you've got everything already cut out on them, which is really handy. The only bit I can't figure out where it goes is this piece. So I guess I'll figure that out as it goes. Can't see where it fits at the moment, but I shall let you know. I'm just going to take this off so it fits better. But it's just the 3 screws. And then some persuasion over here. Don't mind that. Me, which didn't take it off now. I didn't want to see that. Ugh. This up with my trusty bug and grime remover. I got it from Euro Car Parts. That's the part number. Grime off there, so it should stick a little bit better now. Just taking the cubby box rails off. This is why we are test fitting before we glue anything. So this is going to need a trim because there's no cutout for this little holdy thing. So we're going to trim that down. The rest fits quite nicely. And there, James.
I'm sorting the main power wire out for the stereo. We haven't got a proper ISO connector, so I'm just going to have to cut it off and join it here, but you can unplug the stereo from there. So
we have a stereo. Ow, they keep smacking my butt. How exciting. I need to get us around to get rid of them ugly metal cage bits on show. And then we've got a little badge to go in that over, a little Land Rover badge.
Oh, that's all the little things.
Yes, little gauges, USBs, it works. Oh no, you broke it?
No, I've been press something. So, in theory, now, I'm gonna screw all this down. You still recording?
Yeah. I thought you were going to explain
No.
something.
No, I'm not.
He's just talking to himself. Oh. So we're on the second day of doing some interior bits to Ed. So yesterday we got a lot of the HARDURA, not carpet, into the front, and I carpeted a few little bits that the HARDURA don't cover. So I'll just show you around what we did yesterday night. So this is the front. I mean, the mats aren't like the greatest fit, but I think that's more my installation than the critique of the kit. And then on the little gappy bits, the HARDURA doesn't cover. I've just added some carpet, just so there's no gaps. Also decided to start covering the bulkhead and then the sides here, just done them with carpet. They still need trimming and fitting properly, but just to show you the idea so far. I haven't done the other side yet. So these are the speakers that we've gone for, and the surrounds, which we've got from Mud, which I think look really, really good. Absolutely love them. 10 out of 10 recommend. Just wanted to show them. So that's what James has been up to with the stereo, but I think it looks really good. So James is just putting the seats back in the front, so I'm working on re-trimming the rear. So I've just popped down a carpet to go under the seats, just to make it a little nicer inside. Just used like a band carpet and then good old trusty glue that we always use. So yeah, I'll show you properly. So this is all just one piece here. I'm sorting out the bulkhead, but we've left it messy on purpose. And then on the actual floor we're going to do a harder wearing material, so just a little lip to go under, but the floor will be slightly different. And then the Mud speaker surrounds fit really nicely over the top of the carpet. And then I've just trimmed side pieces here with a few little scrappy bits, just so they're clear, and then left this because I thought it might be handy if I ever need to tie anything down, so I've just poked him out. But yeah, that's how it's looking at the moment. So I've just driven Ed for the first time properly since we did all of the floor on the front and then the rear as well, and it is so much quieter. It's on now, so I don't know like how well you can hear it on the video, but it is like road noise wise, it is like 100 times better. Engine noise, like you can still hear it quite a lot, but I think I'm going to get a sound deadening piece for the bonnet, but like, I'm not that bothered about it. It was more the road noise, which is like 100 times better now. Like 10 out of 10 recommend doing this if the road noise annoys you like it did me. So yeah, I mean there are still a few bits that we need to finish off and cover, like you can see behind me, like there's a carpet piece that needs to go down the side, and then I need a new rear mat, and then the floor mats for the front that actually fitted for a 9. So this is the front now, this is driver's side, obviously driver, with the pieces all in. I have added a few bits of carpet where there was gaps, like I said, and then I just need to get some actual tailor fitted mats, and then that will cover that last little bit. I'll show you the other side. So this is the other side. The mat actually fits, it's not a tailored mat, but it fits a lot better on this side than it does on the driver's side, so kind of gives a better idea of what the actual tailored mats will look like. So yeah, I am pretty happy. with that. I mean, mine and James probably need some training on fitting interior, because I mean it's not perfect by any means, but sound deadening wise, which is what it was for, it's a lot better, and it does look a lot better in my opinion than just having the bare metal that was on there before. And then this is the back. So this is the mat that actually came with the car when I bought it, so I'm going to get a new one that's actually tailored for the back, so it comes all the way up, and then I'm going to get a carpet retainer clip for here, so it isn't just the bare like it is now. Need to finish off carpeting this little bit here, but I ran out of glue. But that's the side that does have carpet on. I need to tidy up the glue on that side. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, all carpeted up. So it's going to be a lot more comfortable in here. We've got the bench seat in, we've got the sub, which actually didn't fall off when I just drove, which is very impressive. And then on the bulkhead, I'm going to do something a little bit different on the bulkhead. So we're not going to carpet it, we're actually going to put a tapestry there. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. But I haven't ordered that yet, so it's not in yet. But yeah, so yeah, that's what the back looks like at the moment, but to be improved. You'll have to watch my next videos to find out how we improve it, along with them flipping seats that have millions of holes in them. But yeah, absolutely disgusting. Cannot wait to get new seats. Look at the rails. Ugh, cannot wait. I'm just scared there's spiders in them holes, but I'm just not gonna think about it. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. So we fixed my snorkel hole. Just put a new pipe on. I mean, it's not gorgeous, but it's not got a hole in it, which is an improvement automatically. There we go, snorkeling. Just look at it. I'm getting so happy with it and how it's coming along. Yeah. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found something in the video useful. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any suggestions for me, or drop a like if you did see anything useful for you. We're heading over to Malvern next week, so hopefully we'll be picking up some new parts to fit. So make sure that you're subscribing so you can follow along with us. We'll also be eventually posting our other cars, so we've got the Mini, the Metro and the Series as well. So I hope to see you soon, and I'll be posting again next week. Thank you.